Welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel. Today we will be uh, diving into new topic, and that topic is basis. We want to solve basis, and for this lesson, we'll be converting from order basis to normal base 10. We'll be converting from order basis to normal base 10. Then, in subsequent time, we'll upload a video that will be converting from base 10 to other basic. But firstly, we'll be converting in this video from other bases to what? Base 10. I brought two unique example on converting from other bases to base 10. Right? This is the first example, and this is the what? The second example. So we're going to solve it together, and then when we are done, you will get to understand how to convert from other bases to normal base 10. Okay, the first question says convert 1011 base 2, right? This subscript is called what? Base 2 to normal base 10. And this normal base 10 is also called what? Decimal numeral, right? Sometimes you will not see base 10, you will see what decimal or numeral, right? So that is the same. Now, in this problem, um, the trick in this problem is to identify your degree, right? To identify your degree. Uh, we will be counting our degree from the left. We'll be dealing with ascending order, wherein since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so we have a degree of 3, degree of 2, degree of 1, and degree of 0 in our solving. Or you can say degree of 0, degree of 1, degree of 2, degree of 3. Right? Now, this is the trick. So, we say parenthesis open, um, this one, right? Each of these number will be multiplied by their basis, right? And the basis is 2, right? So we have 1 times the base 2 is 2. Now the power or the degree will be the the power of the degree will be placed above the 2, the base, right? The power will be placed above the base. Since we start from here with this one, we know here is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have a power or degree of 3. You get that? Very good. It's the first step. We say plus. The next step here is we take 0, right? And multiply by the base, which is 2. And since we have 3, it's decreasing by 2, right? Now plus from 0 come to 1 again, 1 times 2. From 2 decreasing by 1 plus. Now the last one is 1, which is 1 times 2, and decrease by 0. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So if you have 4 numbers, you count it from 0, 1, 2, 3. If you have 5 numbers, you'll be counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So it's very easy. Now this is just calculation that we'll be doing. It's very easy. It's very easy, right? So if you have your card or your calculator, you can just punch in your information, and then um, definitely you have 2 to the third power will give you 8, right? 2 to the third power will give you 8. But if you don't know that, you should it's just like saying you should put in 2 3 times, right? You see, 2 times 2 times 2, right? It give you 8, right? It give you 8. So you can say 2 to the third power is 8, right? So just saying 1 times 8. We there, right? If you know this side, right? Plus. Now we say that 2 to the second power. This is not a calculator problem. 2 is the second power is what? 4, because 2 times 2 is what? 4, right? But 4 times 0 is just 0, right? So just the same 0 times what? 4, right? Okay, plus 1 times. Now, if any number to the power 1 is that number, right? According to the law, it says, right? Any number has a power of 1 is that number, right? So 2 to the power of 1 is what? 2, right? Plus, now the next one is 1 times. Now, according to the law, it says also, it says that any number has the power of 0 is also 1. So bring my 1. Now I can say 8 times 1 will give me what? 8 plus 0 times 4. 0 times anything is 0, right? 0 plus 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 times 1 is 1, right? So we are going to add all of them, right? If we add them, it will give us what? 11, right? It will give us what? 11 base 10, right? So because you are converting to what? Base 10. So you say 11 base 10. And I beg you, don't go about saying 11. Then you, for example, maybe you read the, it will be wrong. Is wrong is wrong to say 11 base 10. It's wrong to write it like this, right? It is very wrong. It is wrong. Don't write it in your normal form. Write it in your what? Or letter form, right? So this will be your answer for this problem. Now, since we have solved example number 1, you can pause the video and solve example number 2. Okay, so let us proceed. Example number 2 says convert 232 base 5 to decimal numeral. You see, like I was saying, the first problem we have for base 10, but now you see a decimal numeral. So just in case you don't see base 10, you see decimal numeral, you should know that you are dealing with base 10. Okay, let's go the same way. We have 1, 2, 3. So it's let's say 0, 1, 2. So increasingly, if you started from here, you say 2, 1, 0, right? So let's go. You take the number and multiply by the base, and the base will carry the power or the degree, right? So this will be parenthesis open. This will be 2 times the base, which is 5, and it should carry the power. It should carry the base. Should carry the degree, right? The degree for the first one is 2, right? Is 2 plus, and the next one will be 3 times the base, which is 5. 1 is decreasing, plus we have 2 times what? 5, which is what? 0, decreasing. Then the next thing we can do is that we say that we say 2 times, we know that 5 to the second power is just the same 5 times 5, which is what? 25. So we have 25 here, plus we say 3. We say 3. We say any number to the power 1 is what? 5, right? Any number to the power 1 is that number, right? So 5 to the power 1 is what? 5, right? Plus, and we also say that any number to the power 0 is also 1, right? Now, with this, now we can use our multiplication to get our answer, right? We can say that 2 times 25, right, is what? 50, right? 50 plus, then we'll say 3 times 5 will just be 15, right? 3 times 5 will be 15 plus 2 times 1, which is what? 2. Now, if you use your calculator and then you should get 67, because um, uh, 50 plus 15, 63, right? No, 60. Okay, that's it. It will be 50 plus 15 plus 2, right? It's true. Give it what? 67, right? So we have 67, right? Because if you add this 50 plus 15, you give it 65. 65 plus 2 is 67, right? So, guys, this is your answer. So you can go on and see, and 67 is what? 10, right? You can go on and say 67 base 10. You're not going to say 67 decimal numeral. No, just 67 base what? 10, right? So thank you very much for your patience. If you are new to our channel, say that you should please subscribe, touch the notification bell for any upcoming videos so you can be notified as soon as possible. Please, and we'll anticipate your comment. Do have a nice day.